Hello guys, welcome back to my channel or to my channel if you are new. Today I'm out here in the La Mer and we are actually going to check out the inventing room. So let's check it out. If you guys do visit the place, check out the strawberry mojito, which is actually really good, and that's come from me who actually hates strawberries. So check it out. And if you're planning to get this, which you might be there for, I actually suggest that you get the Cheeto one because I personally felt it absorbed more nitrogen, more smoke came out of it, so try it out. So hope you guys like this video, like, subscribe and share, and thank you.